YouTube? It's your boy, it's AJ. This time IRL. Today we are installing.
Bruh.
Damn. We are installing Mishimoto ignition coils on my side because I have a misfire cylinder 2.
What did he say?
A misfire cylinder 2.
A misfire cylinder 2.
A misfire cylinder 2.
Misfire on cylinder 2. I just put HGK. My brain's fried right now. I'm tired. I just put HGK spark plugs in it. Still misfiring on cylinder 2. This time still off 4. Thank God. So I'm going to put Mishimoto intercoolers on. I mean, not intercooler. Coils on. Speaking of Mishimoto, also I'm sponsored by Mishimoto. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna put that one this way. And how do I do that? Oh, my hands are so sweaty. Oh my lord. Lord Jesus. There's nothing. I'm trying to do the thingy, baby. What it? Oh. I'm slow. It's literally that. Okay. I'll put that one like right here. Put that one right here, and then put. Yeah, put that one right here. All right, and then it's a 10 mil. 9 times out of 10, every Honda bolt is just a 10 mil. Just make sure I'm going the right way because I don't want to over tighten this bitch. Damn, you know. Going the wrong way. Yep, going the wrong way. There we go. What's this name music in the background? There we go. Ooh, wait, no, I forgot. I can just do that. Alright. First one out. Alright. So, for comparison, Mishimoto, old one. Pretty much the same. This was like burnt a little bit, obviously. This is brand new. I don't know why I'm touching down here. I shouldn't have done that, but it's fine. And then we just throw my litter. Pop that bitch back in place. Make sure it's like level like that. And snap. I said snap. Alright, and tighten this bitch. I said tighten. Don't laugh at me. Hand tight, hand tight, hand tight. And one more for good measures. Now let's take this one off. Now, I'm just gonna put that right here for right now. Let's go one at a time. But let's speed run because it looks like it's about to soar. Where is the thingy? Bada bing, bada boom. You know, I was gonna start the video saying like welcome to No Dad Auto, but somebody already took that name. I was like, fuck.
Is it trademark?
I don't know if it's trademark, but I'm not
Not
gonna
get it and then trademark it and then sue him.
I'm not taking his stuff.
Why not?
Because he's been doing it apparently for a couple of years. I
Well,
follow him. He's
if
cool.
he's doing it for a couple of years, the trademark is. No, I'm joking.
Crazy work. Crazy work. Press it. Boom. It's 2 down. And that was the one that was fucking with me too. Yeah. Hold on, nothing's going in there. fell. I don't know what just happened. I need to drink some more water. I'm very dehydrated. Alright. Send 3. I forgot to dust it off earlier.
And this man did not just treat this shit like Nintendo 64.
You said what?
That
I
nigga-
forgot to wipe it down. I really pray to God that doesn't mess up anything. I started so much right there, but we ain't gonna talk about that.
Is it too late to just like take it off, wipe it, and then just?
I mean, it's not too late. It's just about the rain, and I'm kind of,
Yeah, fair.
Yeah. I mean, next, like, if y'all do this at home, make sure y'all get a microfiber glass.
As I promise, like, and even
Microfiber cloth, or whatever it's called. Not microfiber. You know what I'm talking about. The little cloth shit people use.
It's literally called the microfiber cloth.
Oh. Then yeah, say that right. You can.
Yeah, they're both getting stronger.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm trying to hurry up.
You're good. I'm not rushing you.
Okay. Sparks are good. Just to make sure I am not trying to mess this up any more than what it is. Alright. All of these are pressed down. Now. The final screw.
It's the final screw down.
You gotta stop if I get copyright.
You changed the lyrics.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Is that you, Obito? Sorry. Oh, that thing got closer real fast. Hold on. Why even? Yeah, I'm going the right way. I need the electric one, like, fast. So good news is I didn't see any oil in it. And that's what I was worried about, having, like, oil in the coils. If that was the case, then I had a blown head gasket. So we did, chat. We didn't blow the head gasket. You didn't even know what a head gasket is. But I got it used, so I technically wouldn't be the one that blew it. Somebody else did.
That's what she said.
Child friendly. Like they didn't say naked like 4 times.
That's what I'm about to say, bro.
Alright. Looks like everything is set up. Did it. Here's the start of this one. Yeah, so the coils are in, and let's just say it's not stuttering no more. Because before I put the coils in, obviously misfire. When I accelerate, it stutters. Everybody that has like a misfire car, it will like stutter and try to ignite to the right time pattern. It was not doing it, but now there's a copper there, so I can't really accelerate. But yeah, now it is completely smooth. Like completely smooth. It is faster. Well, not faster, obviously, but it's, the car feels more like alive than it did before. Again, shout out to Mishimoto again for that. I really appreciate you guys so much for that. But yeah, this is not like a sponsored video. It's just I get a little sponsorship, but I ain't getting no money yet, so we'll work on that. But anyway, yeah, the car is alive again. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you want to see me build this inside to be a track build. Yeah, subscribe to my gaming channel if you want fun and gaming bonus. You can just relax and eat your food too. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Catch y'all in the next video.